Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to add clickable links inside your Canva designs. Whether you're making a digital resume, a portfolio, a media kit, or even a simple presentation, knowing how to add clickable links can really make your project stand out and honestly make life a whole lot easier for whoever is viewing it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently add working links in Canva and download your design as a PDF that keeps all the links intact. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up Canva. If you don't already have a free account, you'll just need a minute to sign up. Once you're in, go straight to that big purple Create a Design button right at the top right corner. You can't miss it. Click it and you'll see a bunch of options pop up for different types of designs. For this example, let's select Website. You could also choose any other format where adding links makes sense, like a presentation or a resume. Selecting Website just gives us a nice, blank canvas and a familiar layout to work with. Now that your project is open, what you want to do next is select the text you'd like to turn into a clickable link. Maybe it's your email address, a call to action like visit my portfolio, or even just the word here. Highlight the text with your mouse. Here's a quick tip: if you're ever unsure what can be linked, just remember that pretty much any text element in Canva can have a link attached to it, so you have plenty of flexibility. With your text selected, go ahead and right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up, and right there, usually about halfway down, you'll spot the link option. Click on Link, and a small field appears waiting for you to paste or type in the URL you want the text to link to. This is where the magic happens. So for example, if you want people to visit your personal website, just type or paste the full address, like https://yourwebsite.com. Take a moment here to double-check the link and make sure there are no typos. A broken link is like giving someone a map with the wrong directions, so it's worth that extra second to be sure. Once you're happy with the link you've added, simply click anywhere outside the box to close the link field. Canva will automatically save your changes as you go, so you don't have to worry about losing progress. Here comes the important part: downloading your design to keep those links working. When you're done adding all your clickable links, head up to the Share or Download button, usually found in the upper right corner. When you click to download, make sure you select PDF Standard or PDF Print. It's absolutely key to use the PDF option here because that's the format that preserves your clickable links. If you download as an image or some other format, the links simply won't work. Finally, open up your downloaded PDF and test those links. Give each one a click to make sure it takes you to the right place. Sometimes you might need to right-click or use a different PDF viewer, but if you followed these steps, it should work like a charm. And that's really all there is to it. Adding clickable links in Canva is quick, straightforward, and super useful. If you ran into any hiccups or if you have more questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides, and let me know what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.